with a guy with his bird on his shoulder walk through the door. Yeah. Well, he proceeded to tell me the wildest thing. He said, sir, this bird of mine can sing like no other bird you have ever heard before. Well, I kind of looked at the guy and I said, oh, really? He turned to the bird and he said, you know, Willie, when the bird started singing, I almost fell to the floor.
Whiskey River, take my mind. Don't let her memory torture me. Whiskey River, don't run dry. My mind, all you're got to take care of me.
Well, that ain't the darndest thing. Well, I thought, son, what a heck of a thing. A man could get rich making that bird sing, and I could feel his wild ideas coming on strong. And besides, I'm sitting here with 2 weeks' pay, and I'd probably blow it on beer anyway. Then he said, hey, wait till you hear him sing like George Jones. We stopped loving her today. That place to read the party's door. Soon they'll carry him away. We stopped loving her today. Well, I said, well, that does it, sir. Yep, I'd like to buy that bird. Would $500 take him off your hands, huh? Well, he thought for a while, and he said, all right. And he handed the bird, and he said good night, and he counted my money, and out the door he ran. Well, I was thinking I'd found the rainbow's end, but the money would soon be pouring in, when suddenly the bird just flew out the door, and he was gone. Well, then it hit me and I got boiling mad, 'cause I knew right then that I'd been had. As he flew off into the night, he was singing this song.
On the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again.
Somebody stop that bird!
Like my love is making money with my friends. And I can't
My
wait to
bird!
get on the road again. On the road again.
My bird!
I just can't wait to get on the road again.
My $500!
Like my love is making money with my friends. And I can't wait to get on the road again.
Somebody give me a BB gun. I want that
Just can't wait to
bird.
get on the road again.
This is real
Love
birds.
is making money with my friends.
Buy me a drink, somebody.
On the road again. On the road again.
Hey!
Just can't
Come
wait
back
to
here,
get on
bird.
the road again. Like my love is making money with my friends. I can't wait to get on